I know it's been a whole rough year, 2020, 2021. Personally, we've interacted with some movie engineer. This is just, like a 1%.
I didn't get to know even about this. This called me short. This is Derek Angamba tugenda kwata him. But I didn't know that you people would be there for me. Thank you so much.
Nino badde oyine emotoka oba badde tolina emotoka?
I lost my car when we broke up with my ex, of course. I think I shared it with you.
Yes.
It's heartbreaking as an artist to kanga toina means of transport, of course, but it was my own decisions that led me there. And every day I kept on believing that I will have my own as a woman and work for real. A few people that trusted me with my words, Ngamwe, my boss, I kept on pushing and believing.
Congrats.
So much.
Darling. Love you.
Nimbe mtugenda kukwata show abadde ne pretty nanimba mtugenda ku meeting abantu simanyi balina show UK. Nezeze njale badde nduma mbagambe bya munese ndiwandeka kusooka kulya mmere. Kinzize nesanga wano my boss mwita Douglas Wangagwa mmanyi mwita my boss engamba mubala kati. Kitegedde waliwo ekibaddewo naye mwebale. Emotoka nga sinagituulamu yange na buli mukyala yenna ata giving up wadde nga omuyaga gukutomedde si kyangu kukimekinga nga ggwe nammwe bannamawulire wadde sijja bbawa ku lifiti abankuba bamanyi abambeererawo nja bbawa ku lifiti naye emotoka yange n'abawagizi bange mwenna abanzikiriza amabampaniriddde bambi. Thank you so much. Really? Jesus Christ.
Congs, Nina. Congs, darling.
Chiliwa mondiddemu oluko.
No, Nina.
Dero, kale. You too. Oh, shut up, black market, man. Sisobola bivaako. Nze ndi mukazi mukozi era akyakola. Ave yuke muninde. Era Dero mubanja show yange. Oba yannimbye. Tebirimu. Oh my God. Ebigambo bimbuze. Mumanyi naye mwebali mikwano gyange abayimbi bannange benkoze nabo. Brainways, Oxgenius, Mesh. I came in studio crying, man. You remember that day? It was a whole mess. But thank you so much. Mutandise omwaka. Mumpadde amaanyi agasinga. Black Market, thank you for being so humilious and understanding and fighting this battle ne mubeera nga fenna tuuka kunzikiriziganya. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of you. My boss abagambe zino ntuyozo, it's also your sweat. It's my sweat, so it cannot be taken away from me. Rajova weri. Ya mukwano gwange bamwita Farouk abera South Africa. I'm very, very close ne mutabani we. We have a really good relationship. Yeah.
Waliwo kabidi akasatulatinga nga bakubatiza Nina Rozi walokoka erya ddala.
Okubatiza si kwe kulokoka. Baptism. Yeah. I was baptized by Bishop Arnold Monge. Yeah. And I posted it myself.
Abantu basinga beebuuza Nina Rozi kati asabirawa.
Munju yange tubadde na mu COVID. Omuntu Katonda oba inotambula naye buli wamu. Katonda ali ku mutima. Tali mu makanisa, tali mu ngoye zoyambala, tali mu ndabika gy'oli, ali ku mutima. Kwe gukuleetera okuba nga Katonda ali ku mutima gwa buli omu.